Hey everybody and welcome back. So today we will be learning how to download free DaVinci Resolve on Windows 11. So if you want to edit your videos and different kind of stuff, you can easily do that using DaVinci Resolve, and we even have a free plan for you. This is going to be completely free. So they offer two plans. It is going to be the free version, and we also have the paid version. So what you can do is you can head over to their official platform, DaVinci Resolve 21, and this is by Blackmagic, and you can see we have two different options: the free download and the paid one. So you can simply click on the free download button. You will see the snippets and different kind of shots available in here, and this is actually going to be helping you to do the stuff. So yeah, basically this is how it is going to be downloaded. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and see you guys in the next video.